Hey guys, welcome back. Today I have such a fun unboxing for you. This is the YesStyle Advent Calendar for 2020. It just showed up at my door yesterday and I could not wait to get this video up. As you guys know, if you've been watching my channel for a while, I'm a huge fan of YesStyle and K-Beauty in general. I started with skincare and this year I've really gotten into the makeup and I've found so many products that have just become holy grail for me. So I couldn't wait to see this calendar. It has 24 full-size products in it and it is so huge. Wait till you guys see this. It kind of looks like a piece of luggage, and their theme this year is Jet Set Glow. So basically they said in a year where travel plans have been curtailed, we hope that this advent calendar can bring you a little light and joy at the end of the year to carry forward into the next. So I thought that was such a cute sentiment. And then inside you have all of these beautiful drawers with the products inside. This is going to retail for $169.90. If you're a gold member like I am, it's $152.91. I believe the final retail cost is actually closer to $500. It's $489.20 when you add up all of the cost of the products as they are today. So while it is a little bit expensive up front, you're getting a huge value in here. If you love K-Beauty makeup and skincare and you love trying new things, I think this would definitely be something to check out. So the pre-order date for the calendar is October 6th and it goes on sale officially on the 13th, but I wouldn't wait on it just because these tend to sell out every single year really fast. So now let's go ahead and jump in and take a look at all the things you get in the calendar. So let's start with box number 1. And inside you have the Fig Cleansing Balm from I'm From, and I actually have this already. I love this cleansing balm so much. It has such a beautiful texture to it, and on the website it claims to have a sherbet-like texture that melts makeup off in a combined function of cleansing water, oil, and foam. So like I said before, I've actually been using this for a couple weeks now. I got it from YesStyle recently, and one of the things I love about this is it's one of those rare cleansing balms that doesn't leave like a greasy film behind on your face, so you really don't feel like you have to go ahead and do a double cleanse after using this. It removes all my makeup beautifully, like better than a lot of my oil cleansers, so I really love this. It also has a very like mild scent to it, so it does have a little fragrance but not too much, so if you're sensitive, I don't think it would really bother you. All right, so let's go ahead and look at box number 2. This is a really big one. Okay, so this is the AROMATICA Reviving Rose Infusion Cream Cleanser. So according to the website, this says that it's a vegan formula that firms and revitalizes skin while deep cleansing. It's a foam type cleanser to cleanse the skin with dense and rose scented bubbles, moisturizes skin with rose extracts, leaving the skin dewy after cleansing, and forms a moisture barrier with 100% rose water, aloe, and marigold extract. It's also supposed to restore the skin's resilience with elderberry and Indian gooseberry extract for healthy complexions. That sounds really nice, actually. All right, so let's move on to box number 3. This one says Hope, and it's a really big one as well. So in this one, we have the Pink Racoony Hydrogel Eye and Cheek Patches from Secret Key. I've actually seen these on the YesStyle website before, and they look really cool and interesting. It claims to be an adorable heart-shaped patch infused with botanical ingredients such as rose and citrus to help cool the skin's temperature for a soothing, revitalizing, and firmer finish. It has gold powder to boost the skin's elasticity, and basically it says that you can take one of these and split it apart. They're like these little heart shapes. They show on the website like people with little hearts on their cheeks, but they're also supposed to be perforated down the middle, so they show on the website you can kind of peel them apart and then use the 2 pieces and put them under your eyes. You can put them in your nasolabial folds, so this is really cute. I can't wait to try these as well. All right, so next up, box number 4 looks like a tiny little box. What is in here? There's a sticker covering the box, so I can't really read it. It says eyes though. So this might be like a little palette or something. So it is a little eyeshadow quad and it's by the brand Romand. It's called the Better Than Eyes Music Series in the shade Dry Apple Blossom. It says that it's a compact eyeshadow palette in matte and glitter shades designed specifically for fall and winter seasons and inspired by dried floral hues. This particular color story features warm brown tones and it's formulated with fine particles particles that conceal fine lines without caking, and they're supposed to create smooth finishes that last all day. So this looks like it's going to be really pretty, and I've been getting into just smaller quads and little palettes lately. Next up, let's look at box number 5. This is kind of like a taller one. All right, so this brand name, I don't know how to pronounce it, but this is their Cell Energy Mask Formula. And on the website, it says that this provides nutrients and moisture plus clay that can remove sebum. It doesn't really say too much more about it on the website. Everything is in Korean, so I'm not 100% sure what this is supposed to do. And I really don't know much about this brand, but I'll definitely give it a try. All right, box number 6. This is another taller one. And in here, ooh, we have the Clair's Fundamental Watery Oil Drop. I actually have this already in the bathroom. I've been using mine for a couple months now, and it's a great layer to put on kind of after a toner. It's just slightly thicker than a toner, but not quite a serum. So it's a great in-between step if you like to layer your skincare up like I do. And this is made with green tea leaf water, ceramides, peptides, sodium hyaluronate, also rice and kelp extracts. So it's supposed to really like deeply hydrate your skin, and it's also a non-sticky formula. I would definitely agree with that. It feels very, very nice and just kind of adds a little extra layer of moisture. So kind of like the Fig Balm, I'm so glad to have an extra one of these because I'm probably going to run out of mine pretty soon. All right, and then number 7 is kind of like a taller, skinnier one. And this looks like a lip product. It's from the brand Moonshot, and this is their Tintfit Lip Shine in the shade Mood Berry. So this claims to be a glossy coating tint that comes in 5 vibrant shades. It's supposed to be moisturizing but non-sticky, highly pigmented, and long-lasting. And the shade Mood Berry is described as a mauve rose shade. So I've had really great luck with lip products on the YesStyle website, so very excited to try that one. All right, and then next we have box number 8. This is another long, skinny one, and this one, it says Yungkang Yul. I'm not sure if I'm saying that name right, but it's their black tea time reverse eye cream. So let's go ahead and open this up. Whoa, okay, look at this packaging. It comes in this tin package with like this beautiful scene on the outside in silver. This is so pretty. And then you open it up and there's the eye cream inside. It's like this little tube of eye cream, but like a huge package. According to the website, this claims to be a scent-free eye cream that's infused with fermented black tea and paper mulberry extracts to revitalize the under eye area and reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. It's further enriched with shea butter, macadamia seed oil, hyaluronic acid, and ceramides to nourish and moisturize fatigued skin. So this actually sounds really amazing. I've been needing a new eye cream lately, so that is definitely going right into my bathroom. All right, so then we have box number 9. It says Peace on it. This one's a little bit of a taller shape. And in here, what do we have? It looks like masks. They sent quite a few. Okay, there's 3 different ones here, and these are by 11 Village Factory, and it's their foot peeling mask. So if you've never tried these foot peeling masks, these are the ones that you put on your feet. They're kind of like little booties. You keep them on for like about an hour, and then in a few days, your feet start peeling and kind of molting everywhere. It's kind of gross, but I have to say, as somebody who wears like flip-flops a lot, I get calloused feet in the summertime, and they don't look that great. So these work better than anything else, better than any foot cream, or even those petty devices that have the little like stone that rolls around. Those can get your feet somewhat good. These give you like baby feet. They're amazing. All right, so next up we have box number 10. This is a bigger one as well, and inside you have the Skin and Lab Sikka Calming Cream. Okay, so if you don't know about Sikka, it's basically an ingredient. It's used a lot in Korean skincare, and it's supposed to like help calm down redness in your skin. And on the website, this says whether you're battling with sensitive, oily, or dry skin, this calming cream will offer help. Green Sikka, I don't know if it's Sikka or Sikka, complex, which contains ingredients like panthenol and vitamin E, controls excess sebum production, and relieves internal dryness by balancing the skin's moisture levels. It's supposed to deliver deep and long-lasting moisture while maintaining a light and non-sticky feel. So this is really great because as my skin gets drier, when the weather gets colder, it tends to get a little more sensitive. So I think that's going to be awesome. All right, so number 11, box number 11 is just like a little box. This might be makeup. Yes, it looks like makeup. This is the McQueen Jewel Potent Eye Glitter. and this is in the shade Orange Topaz. So on the website, this one says, let your eyes twinkle in all angles with this dazzling eye glitter. Its long-wearing formula is quick drying and easy to wear with brilliant pigmentation. I think this shade is really beautiful and perfect for fall. All right, and then coming in at number 12, we have, ooh, this looks like probably a mascara. Yep. So this is the Maison Collagen Curling Fix Mascara. I actually haven't tried too many K-Beauty mascaras, so I'm really excited to try this, and this is a really popular brand as well. And this claims to be formulated with marine collagen to provide nutrition for weak eyelashes. It's a dermatologically tested mascara that comes with a screw-shaped brush and an oil-in sebum resistant formula for long-lasting and smudge-proof wear. That sounds really good because I hate getting the raccoon eyes, but I'm just curious if this is like oil resistant. I wonder how hard it's going to be to remove. We'll have to see about that one. All right, and then box number 13 is another long skinny one. So this one is another skincare product, and this is by Wishtrend. It says it's the Sulfur 3% Clean Gel, and it's basically for acne prone skin. This gel is infused with 3% sulfur to dry out excess sebum and provide antibacterial effects, but also to moisturize and smooth the skin. And it's enriched with pure vitamin C to help fade acne scars and pigmentation. So this is probably a product I wouldn't use very often, but I actually could have used it last week because I had a big pimple like right here in the middle of my forehead. I never get breakouts, so I don't know where that came from, but anyway, it's nice to have a product like this on hand in case of those situations. Okay, so moving on to number 14, we have another little skinny drawer here. And inside we have another Sikka product. This is the All Care Recovery Sikka Aid. And let's see, is this like a mask or, oh, I guess it's like patches. Okay, yeah, so on the website it says that these are 100% vegan pimple patches that soothe with Sikka extract and encourage speedy recovery without scarring. And each packet has 51 waterproof yet breathable thin patches of 2 different sizes. So that's kind of cool too. That's another thing I probably could have used last week. Okay, so moving on to number 15. This one's a little bit more of a bigger box. And this is the Ionic, I'm not sure if I'm saying that brand name right again, Black Snail Restore Serum. So, ooh, that sounds interesting. This claims to be an anti-aging serum that has 70% black snail extract to improve the skin's elasticity. It also has 5 black superfoods, black beans, black rice, black sesame, kelp, and eggplant for antioxidant benefits. It has centella extract to smooth wrinkles and face scars and help alleviate traces of freckles and stains for vibrant and flawless skin. So it sounds like kind of a dual function anti-wrinkle and whitening serum in one. So definitely we'll be trying that out for sure. All right, number 16, we have a tiny little drawer here. And inside we have more Sikka. This is the Sikka powder from COSRX. Oh, so this is really cool, actually. It looks like this is something that you can mix into like a toner or a serum, kind of like those vitamin C powders. So you can really just use it as needed and add it to your existing products. And it claims to be a multi-purpose Sikka powder that can be, mixed with other skincare formulas to soothe red spots while offering relief and protection to sensitive skin. So that's actually cool because if it's something you're not using all the time, the powder I feel like won't break down as fast as something that's in a liquid form. So that's actually a really cool idea. All right, and then next up we have box number 17. This is a little one down here at the bottom. And ooh, inside we have another skincare product. This is very skincare heavy, this calendar. This is the Yuja Niacin Brightening Sleeping Mask from Some By Me. And this one claims to be a multifunctional sleeping mask formulated with Yuja extract to achieve a radiant and youthful complexion. It also has niacinamide for brightening and fructan for moisturizing, as well as 10 different kinds of vitamins for revitalizing benefits. It says that it's perfect for people with dry or dull skin. That is definitely me. Uneven skin tone or eye bags, and the quick absorbing formula has a light refreshing texture plus a relaxing citrus scent for a good night's sleep. So this sounds really great. I will definitely be trying that out soon. All right, next up we have number 18. We're getting closer. This is also another little skinny box, so it might be a makeup product. Let's see. This is, yes, this is the Clavu, not sure again if I'm saying that right, Urban Pearlization Velvet Lipstick. So according to the website, it says this is a semi-matte lipstick that swipes on smoothly to deliver intense color and a soft powdery finish without producing any wrinkles. Available in 7 shades ranging from summery corals to autumnal browns. And it says that the shade Marsala is supposed to be like a My Lips But Better burgundy color, so it sounds really beautiful for fall. All right, so number 9, we have a big long skinny box up here. And inside we have, what is this one? This is by I'm Mimi, and it's the I'm Lip Jelly in the shade Berry Jelly. So this claims to be a unique jelly-like lip gloss that glides on smoothly with a non-sticky finish so your hair won't get caught on your lips. It comes in a cute, user-friendly package with a silicone applicator and also contains a peptide complex to make the lips look more moisturized and luxurious, creating voluminous and glossy lips. So that actually sounds really great. I'm excited to try that. I love products that have like the peptides to help plump up your lips and do something a little extra, not just like look pretty. Let's look at box number 20. And in here, this is another heavy one. This is the Isntree Hyaluronic Acid Water Essence. I've actually heard really good things about this. I haven't tried it yet, but I've kind of had it on my list to try. This claims to be an essence formulated with 8 types of hyaluronic acid to replenish moisture for tired, dull, and dry skin. Again, definitely me. Prickly pear seed oil forms a moisture barrier that locks in moisture. It's low irritation, highly concentrated formula, ensures smooth application. So I'm definitely super excited about this one, especially as we head into the colder months again. It sounds like a really great product for dry skin. All right, so moving on to box number 21. This is another little one. And this is a product by The Plant Base. It says AC Clear Spot Magic Powder. So again, probably for like acne prone skin. Let's see what it says. It says it's a spot treatment powder to magically clear breakouts. It has centella leaf extract, which has excellent antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties to prevent and improve skin problems. And also ceramide powder to calm the red acne quickly and help to remove skin impurities for skin balancing. It also contains salicylic acid as well. So overall, sounds like a great product for breakouts. And then we have box number 22. This is another long skinny one. Oh my gosh, we're almost at the end. Oh, they're by Neogen. I love Neogen. I have quite a few of their products, skincare products, and they're really, really good. So this is the Probiotics Relief Mask, and these claim to help hypersensitive skin regain its radiance, and they contain a super probiotic charged essence to improve the skin's resilience, provide intensive hydration, and soothe irritated patches. So these come in a pack of 5. Next up, we have box number 23. This is another heavy, heavy one. What's in here? Oh, it's the VDL Lumi Layer Primer. I have this already. I really enjoy it. The one that I have is actually a tiny little version that I got from Ulta, so I'm really excited to have the bigger one. I believe the price is better at YesStyle as well. I think the one at Ulta is quite a bit more expensive, so if this is something that interests you, I would definitely check out YesStyle because they have a really good price on it. I think it's actually significantly less, but what I love about this primer is it just adds this beautiful glow under your makeup, and inside the formula, it has violet Lumi Layer pigments that were made by combining red and blue together to illuminate the face and help define the facial features. It smooths the skin's texture and brightens the complexion for a dewy look. So this is really awesome. I'm glad to have the full size because the mini one doesn't have a pump on it and it's really hard to get it out of the bottle. All right, and then we're down to the last box, and this is number 24. It's a really big one, and inside we have, oh, it looks like makeup. This is the Agatha Face Contour Lookbook, and this says it's a versatile contouring palette with 6 romantic shades to help accentuate your facial features for every day. It has 3 shimmery highlighters, 2 matte finish blushers, and 1 matte bronzer, and the packaging looks like a little book, so that is really, really cute. So anyway, guys, that's the entire YesStyle Advent Calendar. I think it's definitely heavier on the skincare than the makeup. So if you're really into K-beauty skincare, I think this is kind of like a dream Advent Calendar for you. If you were hoping for more of the makeup, then maybe not so much. But I think it's like a pretty good mix of everything and a lot of things that I've been wanting to try. I think I would use pretty much almost everything in here, minus the acne products. But even those, I still could use them every once in a while. So overall, I'm excited to try try out all of these products. I feel like it's Christmas right now. So anyway, guys, thank you all so much for watching and hanging out with me. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this advent calendar down in the comments below. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to click the thumbs up button. And as always, don't forget to hit the subscribe button in the corner of your screen as well. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye.